Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you about that one communication strategy I have experimented and it actually worked. I am not going to preach you because I am not a professor. I don't know everything at 23. I'm experimenting because communication is my passion. So basically, as I read a lot of communication book, I am going to name you, okay, because I have those books. I have read a lot of that. So this is my mobile phone and there is a lot of ebooks you can see. And the first one is on writing well, how can we just write the good scripts. And you know everybody is saying, it is about non-verbal communication, never split the difference, what to say when you need to talk, and then how we decide, a pocket guide to public speaker, the art of effective speaking by that Dale Carnegie. And also I'm gonna show you assertiveness guide, show your work still like an artist. These are for writing and just using your passion. So why I'm going to show you all these things means the main book I am experimenting, this red one, you can see, the speak with confidence, the black and red one, this one is okay. So in this book and the one book from Professor Patrick on MIT, you have seen on YouTube, this very good video I have seen. So he has given a lot of strategies, so we cannot apply all at once. So that is why I've started using the very first thing, and I'm going to experience that in my upcoming at least 30 videos. That is empowering promise. When you are going to start your video, you just need to give the empowering promise that you are going to say your audience, that what they are going to get. So in this video, I didn't know that I have experimented it or not, but in my upcoming videos I'm giving it, because it is not reflects till now. Basically, when I have experienced experimented it into my offline coaching, it actually worked. The loop he has made to reduce the cognitive load, I have used in my offline coaching, and the way it worked, I was shocked. So I thought, why not to tell it online, that how it is helping everybody out there, because it is all free. So why don't we need to that experimenting it. So basically I'm going to experiment it in my upcoming 30 videos, the empowering promise, and before that how you can code the title in different ways, and after that fencing your ideas means how you can tell that what your thesis is, what it is and what it is not, and then the main point, support and example, and cycle it with three angles. This is how he has given the steps. So basically I have read it a lot, so I get understood, I have memorized it, because I have, but I need to experiment it, I need to execute it. But while speaking, I don't know that I can just get over my habitual doings. So that is why I am going to experiment, and that is what empowering promise. And you can see in my upcoming videos, and I'll tell you that it is working or not. Bye bye.